Name Avir, meaning bright. Avir name mean bright. Adit mean sun. Adit means sun. Name Mirit means mortal, meaning mortal. Next name Arif. Arif name means peaceful. Arif peaceful. Next name Kiran. Kiran name means ray. Next name baby boy Kyan means king. Kyan means king. Different surname Dhruv means consent. Neel name means spare. Different name Liu means line. Next name baby boy Adi means first. Adi name means first. Next name Rish means sage. Rish name means sage. Next name baby boy Dresh means handsome. Dresh name means handsome. Next name baby boy Meher. Meher name means light. Meher name means light. Next name Yash means success. Yash name means success. Next name Laksh. Laksh mean target. Next name baby boy different Yuv means young. Yuv name means young. Next name Tej mean light. Tej name means light. Next name Arun. Arun name means dawn. Arun. Next name Veer mean brave. Next name baby boy San means amenity. Next name baby boy Amit means infinity. Next name baby boy Avi means sun. Avi name mean is sun.